it's time to see what's in the box. A huge thanks to Mishimoto for hooking me up with this lovely radiator for the Mustang. Let's open it up and see what's actually in there. The handle took a little damage. Oh yeah, stickers. Whew. Hard to see. There's the sun. Ready to install? Watch the video. Print the install guide. Very cool. This is going to be the brackets and the mounting hardware. I gotta say, I love the packaging. And I got a little Mishimoto dangly dude, so I can now put something else for my rear view mirror other than a goofy necklace. I use as my G meter. Wow. Now this thing is in a serious cocoon. I'm going to look at this. Oh, nice voice. Beautiful. So let's get the old one out and get this new one in. So it's time to say goodbye to my old G-force meter. And hello to Mr. Penguin, Mr. Mishimoto. You're gonna be my new G-force meter. Hopefully you don't get in the way of my steering. I got a better shot in this. Let's see. Can that work? No, it's not gonna work. No. I'll leave it like that for now.